let me talk to y'all real quick. Let me sit y'all down. Babe, the lock game has evolved. I'm talking about tremendously, babe. I'm talking about people doing all types of things with locks nowadays. You remember back in the day, people was afraid to get locks because they were like, oh, it's not versatile. I can't really do too much to it. Blah, 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 blah. Right? Nowadays, a bitch can get a bust down over the locks. A bitch can get the twist over the locks, braids over the locks. You feel what I'm saying? Extensions. Okay? You can get down to everything done to the locks. Now, I'm not saying that it ain't damaging. So, my lock police don't come in my comments. Come out. When they get there, they locks be boneless. Bitch, let them be boneless. That's their choice. Not yours. Alright? But, yeah. Sometimes I be wearing my hairstyles. And people don't even be knowing I have locks. Like, what in the sorcery? What in the motherfucking what? Like, I remember back in the day, you knew when a motherfucker had locks. Because it was clear as day. But nowadays, you can put you can put some twists in the front. You know what I'm saying? And you could do a little 1-2 with a little ponytail. And nobody will ever know, babe. Nobody will ever know you got locks. Like, for real. Y'all, I don't know what I'm finna do with my hair. I told y'all that I don't be having no type of suggestion for my hair. Like, I done ran out of damn style, baby. So, ponytails be my best friend. Especially when I ain't got no retwists. What y'all be doing? Because I promise you, I be running out of styles. Like, I might just throw this bitch up in a ponytail. I don't really know. Sometimes I come out with a cute style, and sometimes that shit be looking like, what the fuck, okay? And I ain't even gonna hold you. Today, I don't know which one that's gonna be. So, we just gonna try anything, babe. We just gonna try anything. I might just do a little half up, half down, babe. Because I don't even feel like dealing with no life decisions right now, okay? I don't. Y'all know that person there to stand there and look in the mirror for 30 minutes. And I'm not about to do that. It's Friday. I don't give a damn. Okay? I'm about to make you do what you do. I said make you do what you do, babe. Ooh. That's thick hair problems, y'all. Cause, baby, that boy be fighting for his life with my hair. My hair thick as hell. Okay? I ain't even gonna hold you. Thick as hell. Should I do a bun or should I leave it like a, you know what I'm saying? Should I leave it like wow? Or should I do a bun? Hurry up. Hurry up and tell me now. What should I do? I'm gonna do my edges. Don't say shit. I'm gonna do my edges, okay? But should I do a little bun action? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like wrap it around and do a little bun action? Like a bun do? You feel me? Is it giving bun do? Like, do I need to do a bun do and do the edges? I think I'm gonna do a bun do. You feel me? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna put my little scarf around it like this once I do my edges. Yeah, it's gonna pop a little bit. A little bit of poppage. Not too much, because I ain't said it was gonna pop severely. I said a little bit. So, you can shut your ass up. Okay? And put a little rubber band on it. I don't want it too tight. Y'all know how y'all be doing them tight buns. Baby, I can't do that. That junk hurt my head. That be hurting my head, baby. Please don't pop on me, because usually rubber bands be popping ASAP. And look at my hair and it pop. This one didn't pop. Hold on. Hold on, babe. We might be in the building. We in the building. Fuck it. I ain't adjusting shit, because as soon as I adjust it, the motherfucker gonna pop. Okay? So let's put the little edges on. Let's do a little bit of something. And don't you say shit about my ponytail not being tight. Bitch, I know. That's why y'all edges be snatched to hell. Because y'all be putting them ponytails too tight. Y'all be doing any and everything to y'all edges. And they don't feel the fuck out. Now mine, they fell out when I had my baby. I ain't gonna lie. They fell out. But I got ways to maneuver around bald head. Okay? I got ways to make it look like something. Okay? But some of y'all missing half y'all fucking head. And it ain't cute. Fuck not having edges. You ain't got half a head of hair, bitch. And, yeah. It's not cute, boo. And then y'all be trying to put these tight-ass styles in your head. And that's why the fuck it keep receding. Okay? When is enough enough? It's time to stop. When is enough enough? Okay? I don't really know what y'all aiming for. What kind of style what you want. I know Texas do the style where they stop their hair like... So I seen a dude, he had a haircut all the way back here and left the shit like some locks in the back. Like, unless you aiming for that style, babe, I'm confused. I'm severely confused. Because, yeah, why the fuck is you wearing that type of hairstyle knowing that it's finna rip your ass bald? You gotta have George Jefferson, babe. I don't understand, but to each his own. I ain't gonna knock you. I ain't gonna do you like that, boo. But just know, babe, we see it. Some of y'all be trying to hide and be acting like we ain't gonna see that half your fucking head missing. Babe, we see it. Okay, we see it. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix my edges a little bit. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do my 1, 2. Just follow me, ho. And then we're gonna put this in the back like that. And then we're gonna do our 1, 2 like this, babe. You see that? You feel what I'm feeling? You feel what I'm feeling? It's coming along. It's looking a little cute. Don't worry about flyaways. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna tuck that shit right on in. Bitch, get in there. Do you stop? Okay, I'm gonna put these little curly cues. Watch this. Bring them little curly cues down. Do you? Okay. Simple. Simple. Ain't gotta do too much, babe. And there we go. Motherfucker is done for the day, okay? Not too much. Bye, y'all.